Sir, the next pattern, bottom of hollow diamond pattern with alphabet symbols but in reverse order. What it means, sir? Very simple, sir. If I can take n is equal to 4. Okay. Can you please tell first 4 alphabet symbols? A, B, C, D. That's all. My required pattern is, sir, here first D I'm taking. What is the first one? D. Next C I'm taking. Next B I'm taking. Next A I'm taking. A I'm taking. That's all. So this a pattern, what my expectation, bottom of hollow diamond pattern, right? Okay, like. So if n is equal to 4, can you please tell how many digits are available? Please confirm how many digits are there, sir. If n is equal to 4, there are total, sir, 4, how many rows are there? 4 rows are available, correct, right? So let me take up to this, right? For I in range of n, for I in range of n. If n is the 4, can you please tell possible values for I? 0, 1, 2, 3, correct, right? Now observe 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, like. So how many rows are there? Observe 4 rows are available. Now just let me take, sir, this is the first row, this is the second row, this is the third row, this is the fourth row. Okay, like. So I is equal to 0, I is equal to 1, I is equal to 2, I is equal to 3, sir. I is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, like this, right? So total how many rows are available? 4 rows. 4 rows are there. In every row, sir, if you observe, some spaces followed by alphabet symbol, followed by some spaces, next second alphabet symbol is there. Sir, let me take columns also. It will become very easy. Sir, here first column, second, third, and then 4, and then 5, and then 6, and then 7. Okay, like these columns are there. Sir, now have a look once, sir. In every row, A, B, C, D, C, B, A. Okay, that's all. Like in every row, some spaces are there. In this row, before alphabet symbol, one space. In this, before alphabet symbol, 2 spaces. In this, before alphabet symbol, 3 spaces. Are you getting? 3 spaces are there. So in every row, some spaces followed by alphabet symbol, and then some spaces, okay, like some spaces like this, right? Okay, some spaces, and then next alphabet symbol is there. So means seems to be the pattern, some spaces plus alphabet symbol, okay, plus spaces again, some spaces. How many? We will decide. Some spaces followed by next alphabet symbol. Okay, alphabet symbol is there. In every row, some spaces, alphabet symbol, followed by some more spaces, followed by this. Now my question is, how many spaces are there at the beginning before first alphabet symbol? Very simple. If I is equal to 0, no space. If I is equal to 1 space is available. Correct or not? 1 space. If I is equal to 2 spaces. If I is equal to 3 spaces are there. That's why. So how many spaces, right? I number of spaces are there. How many spaces are there? I spaces. Next alphabet symbol. Which alphabet symbol we require to take? Sir, very simple. A, B, C, D. Sir, A is 65. B is 66. C is 67. D is 68. You know, for every alphabet symbol, Unicode value is there. Okay, now, if I is equal to 0, A, I is equal to 1, B, I is equal to 2, C, I is equal to 3, D, sir. So, which alphabet symbol we have to take? You can easily guess 65 plus I corresponding character we have to take. 65 plus 0, A, 65 plus 1, B, 65 plus 2 C, 65 plus D 3 is nothing but a D, sir. Yes, which alphabet symbol we have to take? So in every row I number of spaces followed by 65 plus I corresponding alphabet symbol we have to take. Okay, let me implement up to this. So for I in range of n, print okay, space followed by space. How many spaces are there, sir? Sir, 2 spaces we have to take. Space symbol followed by space separator into I, sir. I number of spaces I have to take, plus which alphabet symbol? CHR, convert Unicode value into alphabet symbol 65 plus I, 65 plus I, and then space you can take. Okay, like sir, after this one end is equal to empty. So some I number of spaces followed by alphabet symbol, first off is ready, means do you know, up to this we implemented, right? Sir, now next some spaces followed by alphabet symbol we have to take. Some spaces followed by alphabet symbol we have to take. Sir, how many spaces are there? 1 2 3 4 5. Sir, here 3, here like but some spaces followed by second alphabet symbol, this story applicable, sir, except the last row. For the last row only one alphabet symbol is enough, we took already. So except the last row, for the remaining rows only this one must be required. That's why except the last row for the remaining. How you can decide except the last row? If n is equal to 4, last row will become what? 3. N is equal to 4, last row will become what? 3. 3 means n minus 1. Okay, if I is not equal to n minus 1, if I is not equal to n minus 1, what is the meaning of this one? Can you please tell? Except meaning is except last row, except last row. What I have to take, sir? So we have to take, sir, some spaces followed by alphabet symbol. Now my important doubt is how many spaces? Yes, how many spaces? Can you please confirm how many spaces, right? Anyone, can you please confirm that? Yes, we covered already in the last examples. N is equal to 4, I is equal to 0. N is equal to 4, I is equal to 0. 1 2 3 4 5. How many spaces are there? 5 spaces are there. N is equal to 4, I is equal to 1. N is equal to 4, I is equal to 1. How many spaces are there, sir? 3 spaces are available. N is equal to 4, I is equal to, sir, 2. How many spaces are there? 1 space is available. In every example I am covering, even last 3 examples I told about this formula. How many spaces are there, sir? 2n minus 2i minus 3 number of spaces are there. If you want, you can, sir, analyze clearly. So the number of spaces, if n is this, I value is this, sir, 2n minus 2i minus 3 number of spaces are there. So how many spaces we have to take? 2n minus 2i minus 3 number of spaces we have to take. Next, which alphabet symbol I have to consider? Which alphabet symbols are? Do you know? A, B, C, D in every row. So already we discussed here. Which alphabet symbol? 65 plus A. Here also 65 plus A. Sorry, 65 plus I corresponding alphabet symbol we require to take. Regarding 65 plus I corresponding alphabet symbol we have to take. Take very special care about this one. In every row, I number of spaces followed by 65 plus I corresponding alphabet symbol, and then 2n minus 2i minus 3 number of spaces, and then 65 plus I number of alphabet symbols. If you consider like this, then automatically, yes, this pattern will be ready. Let me consider. First of already we covered, except the last row, print sir, space followed by space. How many spaces we have to take? 2 spaces we have to take. 1 space symbol and then space separator. How many times we require to take, sir? 2 into n minus 2 into I minus 3. 2 into n minus 2 into I minus 3. These many number of spaces, plus which alphabet symbol? 65 plus I related alphabet symbol, and then end is equal to empty. End is equal to empty. Sir, now can you please confirm total? Sir, for every row we have to take these things, right? I spaces followed by alphabet symbol, followed by these many spaces, followed by next alphabet symbol. Next here, sir, print, because next row should start in the next line. Okay, print like this, right? That's all. So if I can execute this one, our required pattern will be ready. Have a look once here. Just take a bit very special care about this example, sir. Of course, forget about this one. Enter n value for I in range of n, sir. For I in range of n, sir, print space symbol followed by space operator. How many times I have to take I times plus a CHR, 65 plus I alphabet symbol I have to take, plus a space separator we have to take. Okay, comma, n is equal to empty. Okay, like if I is not equal to n minus 1, what is the meaning of this one, sir? Except last row, except last row, for the remaining rows, what I have to take? Print of space followed by space. How many times, sir? 2 into n minus 2 into I minus 3. 2n minus 2i minus 3 number of spaces plus a CHR, 65 plus I. 65 plus I. We have to take this character, comma, n is equal to empty. Okay, that's all. So can you please take this code for every row? Can you please take this one for every row, and the next row should start in the next line. That's why print like this we have to take. Okay, now have a look once. Enter n value, sir. Enter n value 4 I'm taking. Have you observed? A, B, B, C, C, D, like this we are going to get. A, B, B, C, C, D we are getting. Sir, now observe carefully. Enter n value, sir. Sir, 5 I'm taking. Yes, A, B, B, C. Enter n value, sir. 15 I'm taking. 15 I'm taking. Now observe that A, sir, next B, C, D and so on up to O. 15 is nothing but O means 15. Okay, like perfect. So hollow diamond, bottom hollow diamond pattern itself is nothing but like this. Clear for all of you, right? So top of hollow diamond, bottom of hollow diamond we covered. If I combine these two things, hollow diamond pattern is our next scenario. I will explain. But anyway, please make sure you have to analyze in this style, come up with the statistics, and then convert into code, execute. Once you do all these things on your own, then only you will get much clarity. Just my intention is, from this discussion, you have to get basic idea, basic approach what we have to follow to solve this type of problems. Clear, friends?